How to add a shipping address on Shein app. To add a shipping address on the Shein app, follow these steps. First of all, open the Shein app on a mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Shein account. Now there, tap on Me at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile. Now there, tap on the settings icon available at the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on the settings, you will get to see some options available on your screen. From there, tap on the address book. Then once you tap on the address book, you will get to see plus icon, add a new address option available on your screen. Now all you have to do is tap on it and enter your name, phone number, address, city, state and postal code. If needed, you will also have to set it as your default shipping address. Make sure to enter all the correct information, then tap Save to confirm. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.